We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and unbiased overview of the black and gray bedside lamp for Nightstand, a touch table lamp with Type-C and A USB ports, an AC outlet, and a modern square design. If you own this lamp, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description using it supports the channel. The black and gray bedside lamp by Outshine is designed as a versatile, compact lighting solution for bedrooms, offices, dorms, and living rooms. Measuring just under 14 inches tall and less than 4.5 inches wide, its subtle size allows it to fit seamlessly on most nightstands, desks, or side tables. The lamp's modern aesthetic is achieved through a matte-finished metal base and a premium fabric shade in a neutral gray, making it suitable for a range of decor styles, from minimalist to contemporary. Many users praise its visual appeal, noting that it elevates the look of their space without being obtrusive or taking up unnecessary room. One of the standout features of this lamp is its advanced touch dimming technology. The lamp offers 3 brightness levels, low, medium, and high, allowing users to tailor the lighting to their needs, whether it's for late night reading, a gentle nightlight, or brighter illumination for tasks. The touch sensor is highly responsive, which is both a benefit and a drawback according to user feedback. On the positive side, adjusting the brightness is effortless and intuitive, requiring just a tap on the base. However, the sensitivity means the lamp can be inadvertently activated by accidental bumps or nearby movement, which some users found inconvenient, especially in tight spaces or busy environments. Charging capabilities are a major selling point for this lamp. It is equipped with both a USB-C and a USB-A port, as well as a 2-pronged AC outlet, all of which function regardless of whether the lamp is on or off. This allows users to charge multiple devices simultaneously, such as smartphones, tablets, e-readers, or smartwatches directly from their bedside or desk. Many reviewers highlight this feature as a significant convenience, reducing the need for extra chargers or cluttered power strips. The inclusion of a USB-C port is particularly appreciated, as it caters to the latest devices and charging standards. However, some users have noted that the placement and design of the charging ports could be improved. In a few cases, the plug design made it awkward to connect larger adapters or multiple devices at once, and there was at least one report of a charger getting stuck and damaging the lamp, resulting in a negative experience for that user. While this appears to be an isolated incident, it is worth considering if you plan to use the charging ports heavily. The lamp comes with an E26 LED bulb rated at 5000 Kelvin, providing a bright, daylight-like white light. This color temperature is ideal for reading, studying, or any activity that requires accurate color reproduction and reduced eye strain. Users generally find the light output to be sufficient for its size, though some mention that the black shade can limit brightness, making it better suited for mood lighting or ambient use rather than as a primary light source. The included bulb is energy efficient, consuming only 6 watts while delivering up to 600 lumens of brightness, which strikes a good balance between visibility and power savings. The bulb's longevity and the lamp's overall build quality receive positive remarks, with quick and straightforward assembly being another plus. In terms of usability, the lamp is praised for its straightforward setup and operation. The touch control eliminates the need for fiddling with switches or dials, and the compact footprint ensures it does not dominate smaller surfaces. Its lightweight construction at just under 1.5 pounds makes it easy to reposition or move between rooms as needed. The lamp is also marketed as suitable for a variety of settings, including kids' rooms, dorms, and offices, with several users confirming its versatility in these environments. It is especially popular for use as a bedside lamp, where the combination of adjustable lighting and device charging is most beneficial. Despite its many strengths, the lamp is not without drawbacks. The most common criticism relates to its size. Several users expected a larger lamp based on product images or descriptions and were surprised by its compactness upon arrival. While most ultimately found the size appropriate for nightstands or desks, those seeking a more substantial lighting fixture may want to consider alternatives. Another recurring issue is the lamp's sensitivity to touch, which, while convenient for intentional use, can be problematic if the lamp is frequently bumped or if pets or children are present. The design and placement of the charging ports, as previously mentioned, have also drawn some criticism, particularly regarding the fit and durability when connecting and disconnecting devices. Performance-wise, the lamp delivers reliable illumination and charging capabilities for most users. The three-way touch dimming works as advertised, and the included bulb provides a pleasant, glare-free light. The lamp's ability to charge devices even when turned off is a notable advantage, ensuring that users can keep their phones or tablets powered overnight without additional adapters. The modern design and neutral color palette make the lamp a good fit for a range of interior styles, and the build quality is generally regarded as solid for the price point. User reviews are largely positive, with an average rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars across more than 200 ratings. Most buyers cite the lamp's value, convenience, and aesthetic appeal as reasons for their satisfaction. The ability to charge multiple devices, adjust brightness with a simple touch, and the inclusion of a high-quality LED bulb are frequently mentioned as highlights. Negative reviews are relatively rare but focus on issues such as the lamp's small size, the sensitivity of the touch control, and isolated incidents of charging port malfunction. One user reported that their lamp stopped working after an attempt to remove a charger from the port, which resulted in a broken connection. While this does not appear to be a widespread problem, it suggests that care should be taken when using the charging ports, particularly with tight or unfamiliar connectors. The lamp's versatility is another point of praise. It is suitable for a variety of rooms and purposes, from providing gentle illumination in a child's bedroom to serving as a functional and stylish addition to a home office. Its compact size makes it ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, or any setting where space is at a premium. The modern square design, matte finish, and fabric shade contribute to a sophisticated appearance that belies its affordable price. Users who purchase multiple lamps for matching nightstands or desks report a cohesive and attractive look, enhancing the overall decor of their rooms. Assembly is straightforward, with most users reporting that the lamp can be set up in minutes without the need for tools or complicated instructions. The included bulb is a welcome addition, eliminating the need for a separate purchase and ensuring that the lamp is ready to use right out of the box. The lamp's corded electric power source provides consistent performance, and the high efficiency of the LED bulb minimizes energy consumption. From a value perspective, the black and gray bedside lamp offers a compelling combination of features at a reasonable price. The inclusion of both USB-A and USB-C charging ports, an AC outlet, touch dimming, and a modern design make it a standout choice in its category. While there are minor drawbacks such as the small size and touch sensitivity, these are outweighed by the lamp's overall functionality and user satisfaction. The lamp's ability to serve as both a lighting and charging hub is particularly useful in modern households where multiple devices need to be powered overnight or during work sessions. In summary, the black and gray bedside lamp for Nightstand by Outshine is a well-designed, feature-rich lamp that meets the needs of users seeking a compact, stylish, and multifunctional lighting solution. Its advanced touch dimming, dual USB ports, and AC outlet provide unmatched convenience, while the included LED bulb ensures bright, comfortable illumination. The lamp's modern aesthetic and small footprint make it suitable for a wide range of settings, from bedrooms to offices to dorm rooms. While there are some minor issues with touch sensitivity and charging port design, the overwhelmingly positive user feedback suggests that these do not detract significantly from the lamp's overall appeal. If you are looking for a bedside or desk lamp that combines style, functionality, and value, this product is worth considering. Remember, if you have experience with this lamp, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed choice. The product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to provide detailed, unbiased reviews.